Project and Handcraft. If this is your first time, my name is Anisa. Today you will learn how to make this beautiful daisy flower hair clip. So in this we make 3 daisy flowers to joining this in this way with glue gun. So in this we need 2 colors. One is yellow, second is white. So I am using this white color 5 play milk cotton yarn. This is a yellow color 5 play milk cotton yarn. The hook size we need is 4 millimeter. Also we need a needle and scissor. In this you have also need this hair clip. So let's start. So first start with a yellow color. Make a magic ring. Yarn. We make a magic ring. Now chain 1. Insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn or pull through up. Make a single crochet. Yarn or pull through up. Pull through these 2 loops. Make 6 single crochet. We done 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now close this magic ring. Insert the hook into this first 1 stitch. This first 1 stitch. Yarn or pull through up. Make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Cut this yarn. Pull this out and close these 2. Now we need a second color is white. Make a slip knot. Insert the hook into any point. I am inserting the hook into and where I end up. So now we start from in this way. Make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the same space. Yarn over. Pull through up. Yarn over. Pull through these 2 loops. Yarn over. Pull through these 2 loops. Again insert the hook into the same space. Make double crochet. We done 2. Now again make third one double crochet. So in this we make 3 chain, 3 times double crochet. After 3 times double crochet make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Insert the hook into the same space. Yarn over, pull through up. Make a slip stitch over there. Now insert the hook, you can see over there. This is our next stitch. Yarn over, pull through up. Again make over there slip stitch first, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same space. Yarn over, pull through up. Make a double crochet. Again make 2 times more. You can see 310, 3 times double crochet. Now 3 chain. Now we make a slip stitch over there. Again insert the hook into this next stitch. Make a slip stitch over there. Repeat this process, make 6 petals. You can see these are a 6 petals, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So complete. We will meet at the last petal. So I am making a last petal. So I done this 3 chains, 3 times double crochet. Now we make a 3 chain. 1 2 3. Insert the hook into the same space. Make a slip stitch. Now insert the hook into this first stitch. Yarn over, pull through up. Make a slip stitch over there. Okay, now yarn over, make a chain 1 and cut this yarn. Now pull this up. Now cut these 2. First we need to secure these yarns. This yellow yarn is magic ring yarn. Also you need to secure this and cut this. Now make one more daisy flower, then we will meet and make a clip. So guys, my 3 flowers and daisy flowers are ready. Now we make our glue gun is also ready to use. So put this. Now this is our 3rd flower. Put this glue into this mid size and put this into this point. Press this, let it go. So let this open. It's little bit stuck into this cardboard. I'll show you. So be carefully remove this. Let me check. It's a little bit stuck over there. Okay. Let me check from this side. You can see this is our hair clip is ready to use. I hope so you love this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay connected with me for more interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye.